don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Golden Arrows 1, Orlando Pirates 2. I'm joined by Mr. Navy.
Hola, Steve. Hola.
I'm not, remember?
Lena, I'm not, man.
Sure.
We can check the game, man.
The league gone.
The league is not gone, Steve.
Okay.
The league is not gone. The league is already arrived at Chlorocop.
It's there.
The league is already at Chlorocop. The trophy is already at Chlorocop.
No, I can't.
You see, Ivan Kosa announced that the trophy is already complete. The trophy is already at Chlorocop.
I'm asking.
Don't have to ask. I'm telling you, the league is already at Chlorocop. The new trophy is already at Chlorocop.
The time and the pictures.
Pictures what of the trophy?
Yes, where is it?
The trophy is already at Chlorocop.
When?
Yeah, at Chlorocop.
When?
Yeah?
No,
It's arrived there. Go and check. When? Today. It's no longer gone. It's there at Chlorocop.
If it's today.
Oh, yeah, read seriously.
Steve,
Why is you a weak pen?
Yeah.
Breaking news.
it's a breaking news. Breaking news. The league is already at Chlorocop. The league is already at Chlorocop.
No, Alimed.
No way.
Okay, but Steve, no. So far, Rina are not going to compare any team of Africa.
Any team
We are the Barcelona of Africa.
Sundowns.
We are the Barcelona of Africa.
Sundowns.
The difference between Sundowns and Barcelona, we are only separated by geographical barrier, which is the ocean, but we are the same.
Sundowns.
Sundowns and Barcelona are the same. Genotypically and phenotypically, we are the same, Steve.
Genes.
We are only separated by geographical barrier, which is the ocean. But I'm telling you,
But
genetics of Barcelona and Mamelodi Sundowns are the same.
I never. You can't.
We have beaten the Real Madrid of Africa.
Whoa. Go and check the fans of Barcelona.
Still,
They are not
listen.
the same. You've got 57 fans.
Listen, we don't care about fans. We have beaten the Real Madrid of Africa. We have beaten Al Ahly. 12-time champions. It's the Real Madrid of Africa. We emulated Al Ahly.
No, they did not.
We emulated the...
No. Hey, get it right. They did not beat Al Ahly.
Yes.
The away goal rule knocked them out. They did not beat them. It was a draw at home, draw that side. The away goal rule.
After all, we say,
No, you must. No, let's take fact.
Orlando Pirates is going to the final.
Even if they can say it in the books, Sundowns did not beat Al Ahly. The away goal rule applies.
Okay, we don't care about that. Orlando Pirates is going to CAF Champions League final. Okay, thank you. Orlando Pirates is going to Orlando Pirates, they will play Al Ahly in the final. But I will see this team playing. Mbokas will be doing on goals again there. You're saying Pirates, they qualify for Champions League final. Mbokas will do on goals there. Mbokas will do more goals there. Yeah. But all I know, I will see Grant Kikana defending there.
Not TLP.
In advance, let me say congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns for winning 2024-2025 CAF Champions League. How can we say you are footballer of the season, CAF Champions League footballer of the season? Khuliso Mdau. I'm telling you this in advance. Khuliso Mdau will be CAF Champions League player of the tournament. Khuliso Mdau. If it can be Khuliso Mdau, believe me, it will be won by Tebogo Mokoena. It's between Tebogo Mokoena and Khuliso Mdau, the CAF Champions League player of the season.
Those two.
No one is there.
Kunelinye play engilithandayo lapha ku Pyramids. Ngiyalazi li dangerous. Linye fo. Mayele.
15 Mayele.
Kuzokhalwa la.
We played with Mayele last season there at Chlorocop. he was in the pocket of Khuliso Mdau. If you can go and search Vadau inside, you'll find Mr. Mayela. How can you say about the best defender in Africa?
Hey.
Khuliso Mdau, footballer of the season in CAF Champions
So
League.
this year, Unka League and CAF.
You are finished. I might win Club World Cup. I'm not saying I might win. This is football still.
Yeah.
But I'm still in competition of a treble. But the league is mine. The league is already at Lorokopa, as I said.
Yes.
CAF Champions League, we know. As a South African, let's support one and another. Two. Let's come in numbers.
Even on my interview, I said it. I'm not going to support something. I will never.
We understand it's the pain. It's the pain of my
It's
head.
not the pain. No, you can't force me to support what I don't love. I don't love Mamelodi Santa,
Mayele.
and I will never love Santa.
Mayele.
No.
It's the pain.
No, I can't be
It's
forced.
a pain, yeah. I am my yellow.
No,
Yeah.
you can't force me. 57 fans, they can't force me to support Mamelodi Santa. I support Orlando Pirates, and that's it. Win or lose, it's fine.
Yeah.
But you can't force me to support.
Okay, Steve, it's fine. Let's
Just
go back
because you say
to.
it's a South African team. The next minute we support them, they come back and break to us. Oh, you can't.
Okay,
No.
I understand. Steve. Let's talk about.
West.
Let's talk about the match which will be played on Saturday. Nestibo. Let me say congratulations to Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Congratulations to Orlando Pirates for winning 2024-2025 Nedbank Cup. But they won't win it fair, we know. They will only benefit from the referee. They will only benefit from the referee. Orlando Pirates, they never won a cup. Fair in the final of any cup in South Africa. They only benefit from the referee. I'm not saying they buy referee. That one I don't know, but believe me, Orlando Pirates, they will benefit in this cup. Kaizer Chiefs, they will continue with 10 years, no trophy. Not trophy. It's going to be 11 years. It's going to be 11, friend. I'm telling you, 11 years. 11 years. Nothing.
But they'll benefit.
Orlando Pirates will benefit in this cup.
There will be a benefit.
There will be a benefit. That one I know.
From a decision.
If the referee can be Abongilo Tom, it will be that one Gaza.
Just when he saw.
I can bet with 200 now.
When he saw Gaza.
Oh, don't know that one. He's full of he do mistake only when he's coaching parrots. They don't bribe him. He just do them mistake. I don't know. Willingly do mistake. Willing give. Steve, without waste of time, congratulations to Orlando Pirates. And my man of the match, I will cut it short. Kim Vuid.
Yeah.
I'm Jita. Karim. All the best, Bagania. This one, they must go you. They must go continue with 11 years. Chiefs must continue. No trophy. No trophy. No trophy. Pirates win. Our 2039. Chop, Steve.